Hey guys, so in this video I will be walking you through the live conversion rate optimization for this clothing brand. Is the video that I have personally sent to the owner of this brand on how they can improve their conversion rate and even the profit margin, which is usually the problem for the apparel niche. And if you want me to review your store like this and to get the professional feedback on where you can improve your website to increase your conversion rate or even your meta ads or Klaviyo email marketing, reach out to me on the link below and I'll be happy to give you advices on how you can improve yours. So let's get to the video on how to improve the Shopify website for this apparel brand. Hey Nikolai, so I just wanted to record this quick loom on how you can improve the funnel for your apparel brand, because I'm sure by implementing these things that I will mention throughout this video, you will see better conversion rates, so higher return on your ad spend, and we will tackle some other things that you can do to increase the profit margin for your brand. Because as we all know, profit margins are kind of the problem for apparel brands, and by implementing these things, you will see better return and higher profit margin. So first thing that I've noticed on your homepage is that you can improve is that you could add more images of women wearing dresses on your homepage or even on your collections page, because I saw that you have great images, you have invested in that, and that is one of the most important things for an apparel brand like yours. But I'll show you some examples of 8 or 9 figure brands, how they display these images on their homepage or collection page, so you can have the inspiration for your brand. This thing will specifically increase the conversion rate from the homepage or collection page to your product page and ultimately increase your conversion rate, right? So we have this brand, they're also selling dresses and stuff. And you can see their whole homepage is filled with images of women wearing their dresses, their clothing and stuff. And it provides a bit more of the human touch, which is really important for the niche that you're selling. And another brand is this one, Windsor. So as you can see, they again have like loads of images from women wearing their stuff and things. And I think just by implementing this thing on your homepage, you'd see a better conversion rate. Maybe you want to achieve this effect. I'm not sure if that's the case. If that is the case, just let me know. But the thing is that you already have these images, but they are placed as the second image of your store. So as you can see, it's like when you hover, they are displayed. So just by switching these second images as your first images, you'll see a better conversion rate, because that's the best practice for the apparel niche, right? The second thing that I've noticed is on your product page, and obviously I'm viewing it from the mobile perspective because I guess most of your traffic is from the mobile device as you're advertising on the social media. So I really like how your product page look like. It's minimalistic, it's very simple, straightforward, it brings the clarity and stuff. But the thing that I think you miss here, and again is the best practice for apparel niche, is the size chart. The size charts placed somewhere here would just help you with bringing more clarity to your visitors, and it would just help them with choosing the right size from them. And by having the size chart on your product page, you would achieve two things. First thing, you would increase your conversion rate because it's just easier for them to choose the right size, so they are not uncertain for that part, right? And the second thing is that you would decrease returns, and we all know that for apparel niche, returns are a painful thing, and you want to minimize these returns, and size chart, which helps them clearly choose the right size that they need, will help you with that, right? So I think just by having that thing, you would increase your conversion rate and reduce your returns. Now here is an example how your size chart can look like. It's just a very simple chart table with the explanation and stuff, nothing special, but this thing really helps with the apparel niche in my experience. And the second thing that you could add that in my experience have significantly increased the profit margin, the AOV of our clients, is the free shipping, but with the free shipping threshold, right? So when your customers reach the certain threshold, they get the free shipping. So when your visitors add the product to the cart and they are on your cart page, is a very good thing that you have these cross sells and stuff. I think this could be fixed just by removing this so they can navigate more easily. And here you could add a free shipping threshold at the top with the notice that if they spend over $150, they get the free shipping and stuff. This has really helped a lot of our clients increase their profit margin and AOV because people love free stuff. And when you give them an easy option to reach that threshold by offering them some complementary products that you have on your website, you can really increase your average order value and that way increase your profit margin, because profit margin is big thing for your niche. So even if you don't want to have the free shipping threshold, the products that you offer here below, I would replace them. I would add some less expensive products. I saw that you have some bras, some tops and stuff. So all these things can easily be upsell to your visitors in your cart. I'm not sure about the stats of your business, how many people add this product to your cart, but you could definitely improve this part of your website and that way increase your average order value. You could also add some social proof here. Now, I don't know what's your add to cart to initiate checkout conversion rate, but you could add some social proof here. It also helps with increasing conversion rate because you have a plenty of empty space here. You can use that to your advantage to first increase your profit margin and secondly increase your conversion rate, right? So these are things that I would highly recommend you to do. Now, I've subscribed to your email list just to check how your welcome email sequence look like, and I think email marketing for your brand is one of the most important things because that's how you increase your profit margin, repeat purchase rate, and all that stuff. And I think you could improve your welcome email sequence just by incorporating the best practice of the email marketing. I think you lack a clear headline. Each of your emails should have a clear headline that catches the attention, that maintains their focus and stuff. Your first email in the sequence can also contain a bit of your brand story below the CTA, or even a social proof. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to receive these emails because this is just the first email, but you could just expand a bit more on this email because this is the most important email in your whole Klaviyo account. That's the one that you should generate the most revenue with, so you should definitely improve this sequence to the fullest to see higher revenue. Now, I'm not sure how much revenue are you currently generating with your Klaviyo account, and I think that's the thing that you should really optimize the most because you want your high repeat purchase rate, and especially through the channel like email marketing is, which is very cheap and effective. So for that reason, you should really double down on email marketing, and especially for an apparel brand. Now, regarding your ads, I saw that you're doing a really good job with them. I really like the professional look of them and stuff. You could perhaps try a bit of more non-professional look, like kind of UGC content and stuff, because that's the content that performs currently very well across the meta platforms, Instagram, Facebook and stuff, because it looks organic and it works very well lately. Now, obviously, I'm not sure how your account structure is and stuff, but that's the thing that I can comment just by looking at your ads, right? So that's it for this Loom video. I hope you found these things useful. Let me know which advice do you find the most valuable, and yeah, good luck with your business.